Did you find what you were looking for? The Chinese coronavirus. Coronavirus outbreak, more than 30 million quarantined as number of dead, infected rises. Jackie Salo and Tamar Lapin of the New York Post writes. The Chinese city at the center of the deadly new coronavirus became a war zone on Thursday as authorities expanded their lockdown on the city to other areas to contain more than 30 million people. The unprecedented quarantine came as officials revealed that the flu-like illness has now killed 26 and infected more than 830 worldwide, and that it can spread far more easily between people than previously thought. Public health authorities in Wuhan declared they were in a state of war as they locked down the central city of nearly 11 million people, where the outbreak was traced to a live animal market in late December. Strictly implement emergency response requirements, enter into a state of war and implement wartime measures to resolutely curb the spread of this epidemic, a committee of Wuhan's top officials urged. Homes must be segregated, neighbors must be watched. Hours after announcing the lockdown, authorities moved to cut off at least 10 nearby cities, placing under quarantine a total of more than 30 million people, more than the populations of New York City, Los Angeles, and Chicago combined. In Wuhan, soldiers and SWAT teams in face masks barricaded entrances to rail stations, as trains and planes out of the city were indefinitely suspended and subway and bus service halted. People could still enter the city via car, but police were checking those in incoming vehicles for fever, coughing and trouble breathing. Workers were disinfecting train stations and other public spaces. "We are feeling as though it is the end of the world," one Wuhan resident wrote on China's Twitter-like Weibo platform. Elsewhere across China, authorities moved to halt the virus. The link to the full article by the New York Post will be below. China has been a core focus in world news over the past year, with many issues surrounding the country such as the Hong Kong protests and the US-China trade war. The coronavirus outbreak is just another major issue that the people of China, and its government, are dealing with. Do you think the coronavirus will become a worldwide threat? Or do you think can China contain the viral outbreak in their country using the measures they are implementing? Leave your thoughts in the comments section. We hope that you found what you were looking for. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to know when new videos are up. You can support the channel using any one of the offers below or by sharing the video. Have an incredible weekend.